Welcome to my class. Today we are going to see the statistical models in simulation. We have two topics. One is discrete distribution, another one is continuous distributions. So in the previously we have discussed these two distributions as it is. In discrete there is a particular point of time, everything will be happening. In continuous it's a long process. So these two under these two distributions we have various sub distributions. So this is a discrete random variable. Let x be a random variable. If number of possible value of x is finite or countably infinite, we can say x is a random variable. So these possible values of x may be listed as x1, x2, etc. There is a linear fashion or sequential fashion over here, and here a best example we can say is a like a post office or bank, because from 9 to 4 anytime the customer will be moving, and they'll finish their works. So at the particular there is a particular point of time which is talking about which is we can say in the discrete random variables. And continuous random variables, if the range space of x random variable is an interval or collection of intervals, this is called a continuous we can say it is a continuous random variable. A best example for a continuous random variable we can say is very good example we can say is water dam. And discrete distributions. So these variables are used to describe the random phenomena in which only integer values can occur. So here there are four distributions. One is Bernoulli's trials and Bernoulli's distribution. Another one is binomial distribution, geometric and negative binomial distribution. So when we're talking about this Bernoulli's distribution, we do have two things. One is success or failure. If xj is equal to 1, then we can go for success. If xj is equal to 0, then we can go for failure. So here there is a constant probability which is happening from one trial to another trial. Everything will remain constant for each and every varies between the trials. And then we'll move to distribution, Bernoulli's trials and Bernoulli's distribution. So an experiment consists of n trials. So each trial having a success or failure, as I have discussed here. We have an equation. If xj is equal to 1, j equal to 1, then we'll use p, and if it is 0, then we can go for 1 minus p, that is equal to q. Otherwise it is 0. So for one trial, the distribution given in above equation is called Bernoulli's distribution. Examples over here is a consecutive throwing of a fair coin counting heads and tails, a pass or fail test on a sequence of a particular components of same quality or others of similar type. Here they have given a mean and variance of xj, which is calculated. E of xj is equal to 0 q plus 1, and p and v of xj is equal to 0 square q x, same as similarity, sequential formula only. We are using this here. For each and every trial it may vary, so but it should be a constant one. Now we'll see the binomial distribution. In this binomial distribution, it denotes a number of success. In Bernoulli's trials is a binomial distribution. They have a given formula p power x q power n minus x, where q is equal to 1 minus q. The mean and variance they have given. The number of outcomes having a number of failures, and probability also they have given over here. And E of x is equal to p plus p, and NPV of x is equal to pq plus pq plus npq. And geometric distribution. So x is equal to number of trials to achieve the first success in sequence of Bernoulli's trials. X is a geometric distribution. They have given p of x equal to q power x minus 1p, x equal to 0, 1, 2n, otherwise 0. Justification of the definition they have given. Here the probability of occurrence of event x minus 1 failures followed by 1 success. The mean they have given summation x equal to 1 to infinity zq z minus 1 p. So E of x equal to p summation x equal to 1 to infinity d by dq, q is z square. So this is the geometric distribution. Negative binomial distribution, same as like that before. And Poisson distribution. So this describes many random process quite well and is mathematically quite simple. And the mass function they have given here is e power minus x q power x by z factorial. And Poisson distribution property, mean and variance are same in this. So EDF, because here 0 is a constant and it will be increased, so that EDF of the Poisson rate is I factorial is much faster than that of a power I, because the distribution is mostly determined by first few of mathematical ways, because it's a random process and it's quick well. Thank you.